Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, a lot of us to the left of the center of the ideological divide have always maintained that there's no multi-party system within the Nigerian state. We do not have a multi-party system within the Nigerian state. What we have is a single ruling class hegemony, and then within that hegemony you have different camps, and then the ruling class, the members of the ruling class, then move between those camps depending on where they feel that their best interest is going to be best served. This has always been the position of the thinking mind in Nigeria, that there's no multi-party system within the country. What you have is a singularity, and within that singularity you have different camps which different elements within that ruling class slot into depending on how they feel their interest is best served. So now this clip that I'm about to show you is proof positive of that school of thought. So in this clip, I'm going to play you the clip now, and then I'll voice over it to explain what is going on. So in this clip, you see a party scene and you see many people there, but I want you to focus on the chap with the green hat and the gray outfit, and the guy in the wine-colored outfit. So the chap in the green hat and the gray outfits is Emeka Ihedioha, the winner of the recently concluded Imo State elections. So that's Emeka Ihedioha, the governor-elect of Imo State. So Emeka Ihedioha of the PDP. So that's the guy you see. Now, the guy you see joshing and laughing with him and dancing tango with him is Hope Uzodinma. So that's Hope Uzodinma. So the guy in the wine-colored outfit with the chubbier figure is Hope Uzodinma. So that's the APC candidates for the recently concluded Imo State governorship elections. So what you are seeing playing out in front of you is a wine party, a champagne party, a celebratory party, a coming together of family members to meet and audit events of recent times. So you do not see any political rivalry playing out here. You do not see people in opposition ideologically. You do not see people contending or fighting anything between each other. They are holding hands, they are dancing together, and they are laughing and they are mirthing. So what Hope is effectively saying to Emeka is not, this is my reading of what the conversation effectively is. This is a translation of what we see playing out. So what Hope is effectively saying to Emeka is, look, now I spent a lot of money on this election, so make sure so you know what to do. So, and Emeka is then laughing and joshing with him and said, my brother, you know how we do it now, don't you worry. Then Hope is saying back to him, I trust you now, you no go do F up now, you know. So that's effectively what we are seeing playing out in front of you, because in front of us rather, because you do not see people in diametric opposition or ideologically or in any other sense. You do not see people who are just being engrossed in an epic battle for anything. What you see are two chubby brothers coming together, having a celebratory party to mock and mirth at the people of Imo State that look at this moment, because if you go on the streets of Imo State, the APC camp and the PDP camp, they're still having it out on the street that we. But the we that they are weing is what we are seeing in front of us now. And these chaps, they don't really look like they have any problems with each other as far as I can see. One has said, okay, you can have it this time, but behave yourself, you know what the game is. And that one said, of course I know what the game is. I've been part of the game before, I've benefited, you will benefit, and then come the future, you can come in as well, and the feasting carries on. So this is why we say that there's no multi-party system within the Nigerian state, because there's no ideological divide between these two chaps that you are seeing. Because I'm not going to call them gentlemen, because they're not gentlemen in my head. These people are not gentlemen in my own understanding of the word. So I'm going to call them chaps rather than gentlemen. So these two chaps that you're looking at, there's no ideological divide between the two of them. There's no real beef between the two of them. There's nothing really being contended between the two of them. They both wanted the slot. One got it and the other one went and said, okay, I spent a lot of money, so that money I'm expecting not only to get it back to make, but to make a profit too. And the other one is saying back to him, yes, I know how the game is played, don't you worry, I'm actually offended that you'd have to come and explain this to me. I know the game, you know the game, and the game carries on. And the game that is being played, of course, is the people of Imo State, because this is the people that these two chaps are playing. So this is politics in Nigeria that you see before your eyes. PDP, APC, what PDP, what APC. There's just one ruling class split into different camps. People slot into whichever camps is going to best serve their purpose. And Atiku is a good example of that as well. Atiku was PDP, then he became APC, now he's back to PDP, and then he'll go back to APC to go and collect his refund for the monies that he spent on the elections. And really, that's just the way the story goes in Nigeria. There's no multi-party system, singular hegemony, ruling class sharing the spoils of the land and feeding fat off the fat of the land. So this is what you see playing out in front of you now. So what are your thoughts in terms of the multi-party system in Nigeria? Let's engage in a conversation about this in the comment section. But before you come join me in the comment section, click on that red subscribe button so it goes gray. Haven't done that, click on the bell button as well so you're notified every time I drop a video. So once you've done both, come meet me in the comment section where this conversation carries on. So I'll leave you here and I'll join you in the comment section and I'll say peace.